Hey y'all, it's Grenade here back in another video. So today I'm going to be trying a whole bunch of new products on my hair for the first time, and y'all are just going to see how these products do on my hair. So y'all seen I had washed my hair. I was washing my hair and I just got to shower and I used these products for the first time. The Monday products. The shampoo is for the volume. It says I'm for thin and lifeless hair. And then the conditioner is for frizzy and dull hair. So I used this. Mom had got this for me for a Christmas advent calendar thing that y'all know we be doing every day. So I had used that. I really like the conditioner. The conditioner like frothens up or something. I don't know what it's called, like it foamed up, like kind of, but the what is it called, the shampoo, like the lather is really good. But today I'm going to be doing the two-step Aphogee treatment. This was $15.99 at the store. It will be not, they be gatekeeping. And then I also got some pure honey hair food curl creator pudding from Creme of Nature. I just seen a girl use this and I wanted to try it. So yeah, and then I got Creme of Nature coconut curl repair leave-in. So we're gonna be putting those in my hair. Tomorrow I'm planning on just wearing my hair down because I got I'm going to my friend's house. But anyway, this besides the point. I'm gonna go ahead and put this treatment in my hair. This is the first time of me washing my hair. I need to go get a dry towel. Hold on. Okay, so I got the towel. I know that for this treatment is actually, it's really liquidy. So I'm gonna have to get a spray bottle. And I'm just gonna empty out the water bottle and yeah. So first time, well not first time opening it, but first time opening this in years. And they changed the packaging. I'm gonna put a picture of the packaging before this, but this does not used to look like this. Anyway, so step 1 is the strengthening of the amino acid blend. Step 2 is the moisturize and protects. So, step 1 directions. Dispense a small amount of product into palm and work through. Since when was it not liquid? Bro. And the smell is way better. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is like the first time of me ever trying it like this. Like, it's like a jelly type of consistency. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah. If y'all used this before, y'all know that the smell is not pleasant. But the smell isn't that bad now. Got my thinning brush.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What we want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
by the beach like Odell. No, but all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
You know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well, I want it.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going well, I want it.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
Okay, so now that I put the treatment in my hair, I'm gonna wait about 7 minutes. It says wait 5 minutes for more thinner, less curlier hair. Well, like it just been leaving on for 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes meaning that you have really thick and coarse hair. My hair is not that coarse, but it's thick. So I'm gonna leave it on there for about 7 minutes because my hair is not coarse. So I'm gonna leave it on there for that long. And yeah, but yeah, I haven't washed my hair in a month and maybe a couple of weeks. But the way that my curls just bring, like, look at my hair. Like, my hair just looks so good already. And it hasn't even been that long. So I'm gonna let this sit for 7 months without touching my hair, and I'm gonna be back with y'all. Okay guys, so it's been about like maybe 11 to 12 minutes, but it's just time to rinse out my hair. I really don't feel like I don't feel like taking all my clothes off and getting back in the shower and then putting all my clothes back on just to get in the shower. Like, that's not what I want to do. So I don't know, my hair, it's not like tacky or what is it? Like, it's not, oh, it was stuck to my shirt. And it's like, I don't know. But my hair wasn't really damaged to begin with. So, I don't know. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But I know that your hair is supposed to be like hard. And it's not supposed to be wet. And my hair is still kind of wet. Do I have to wash this out too? Apply product evenly through hair. Leave on for 1 minute to allow penetration of moisture. Vitamins and rinse thoroughly. Use the warm, then cold water. Dry and style as usual. Why is there so many steps that we went? Also guys, my mom has work and like she has to get up like literally any moment now. So let me go ahead and rinse this out. I'm gonna rinse this out using like the little bath faucet thing and not like the shower. So yeah, I'm gonna be back like really fast. I rinsed my hair out. Anyways, I rinsed my hair out, and now apply product evenly through hair. Leave on for 1 minute to allow penetration of moisturizer, vitamin and botanical extracts. Rinse thoroughly with warm, then cold water. Dry and style as usual. Come here, hold on. This is when I rinse all of the first step out of my hair. I definitely see my curls looking really good. Like, my curls good. I don't know, y'all. My curls, I need to learn how to get rid of like frizziness, because I don't know if it's the products that I'm using or what, but like my curls aren't bad at all. My curls don't be curling. My curls be tightly waving. So, yeah. But like I did with the last thing, I'm going to put half of my hair up. Because my hair is super dry right now. That mask dries your hair out a lot. Okay, and then I'm going to section this in half, and then just put this around this part. Okay, and now
get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've get from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change to me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I wave my arms, feel still wanna try, still believe in it. Good days, always always inside. Good.
okay guys, so I just set a timer for 1:30 because I just feel as if that my hair needs a lot of moisture, so I'm only gonna keep it in there for 30 seconds longer. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my mom for work, and then, well, I think I should wake her up after this sits on my hair. Maybe, but she has to be at work by like, I don't know. She just has to be at work tonight. She has to be at work by 10 o'clock, and I'm doing this freaking treatment that's only for 1 minute. Like, and then the timer is like literally halfway done now. I had so much energy, and then I drank hot chocolate. What does hot chocolate got in it that be making me tired? So, I am done with the treatments on my hair. And now, I'm gonna try these creams But actually, I've already tried the leave-in conditioner, but I'm gonna be trying this one because I never tried it before. But this towel is soaking wet. Like, my hair has been in this towel since I got done with my hair. So this is my hair now. My hair is super soft. The curls look really good. Like, this makes my hair look so healthy, super nice, super good. And like, just look at my hair. Y'all see how my hair looked before? Y'all see my hair now? So, it definitely did his big one for real. But now, I'm finna make this part even first. That's what I'm finna do because this part has not been even this whole time. Okay. It's not really straight, but it's enough to recognize that it's a middle part. So, the first thing I have to do is split my hair down the middle. Like we do with everything else. I think I'm just gonna twist it up because I don't want my hair to get crazy.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body says, my mind, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I
Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go. But I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together.
I forgot. This clip is gonna go before I end the video off, but just know that I ended the video off before putting this in my hair. But I'm gonna be putting the As I Am classic leave-in conditioner, and I know I already put leave-in conditioner on my hair, but just I love the As I Am product line. I'm not gonna what is it? I'm not gonna, that's how much I'm using it, but I'm not going to section out my hair because I don't know, I just don't want to do that. But it smells so freaking good, and it's just, oh my god. How could I forget about you? Like, it's barely even in my hair, and it makes my curls look so freaking good. Like, music, music. When I came back to you, I just to do what I had to do. I can't let you go. Music, music, music. That's that, y'all. I just had to add that product in my hair because I actually love that product, and I forgot about that product. But yeah, this is the final hair. This is the final result. I'm not adding anything else in my hair. I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna like bye. Okay, guys. So I just got done putting in my leave-in products. This is my hair after a wash day, after a full wash day, and how my hair looks like. This part looks dry, but my hair is like low-key. Let me see if that's just, yeah, y'all, that's just my natural hair color. I really had different hair colors throughout my hair, but yeah, so that's my hair. The other side, like, I really do like my hair. My hair just kind of has like a lot of volume, and it's definitely not a bad thing. I really do like my hair. But yeah, y'all, so that's my whole washing thing, trying out all of these new products and all of these products that I haven't used in so long. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you'll enjoy this video. I'm going to edit. I gotta edit 2 videos. Sorry for not posting for the 19th. And yeah, I just needed to take a little day off. But y'all, this is it. Like, this is my hair. This is my hair with only 2 products in it. Curls pepping. Volume is definitely voluming. Like, what? But yeah, so if y'all enjoyed this video, y'all should definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and y'all should go check out my other videos. Like, why don't you want to go check out my other videos? Huh? Okay. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Bye.